Hello, welcome. This is blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that is Gate.io cryptocurrency exchange in trouble and what is happening with this multi-chain case, because that's getting more interesting. And you know, these two things are related to each other. Then we have the debt ceiling bill passes in the House. And also, now there is a chance that they won't, the Fed won't increase interest rate now in June, but they might continue after that. Well, let's talk about these kind of things in today's episode. Okay, and if you'd like to get this daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain related videos, just simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom. And if you like this kind of content, then smash the like button. Right. Okay, and now let's move on to the prices, where we can see that Bitcoin is actually, well, not a lot, just about 0.5% down in the last 24 hours, 26,907 US dollar. Ethereum about sideways here, 1,862 US dollar. When we're looking at the top gainers, we can see XDC going up almost 7%, Sandbox 4%, Litecoin about 4%. Then we have here the losers, Gate.io token, what I'm going to talk about, 7.5% down, Musk network about 3.5%, and Kava pretty much the same. When we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we can see that actually Bitcoin itself, it's not doing too much. Yesterday, where actually it went all the way down here yesterday, we are right now at that point. Yeah, today we were lower, but we are now under this 27,100-ish, kind of level. But we haven't reached this 26,000, which could be the next support. So we're going to see how this continue. Of course, we can go further down as always. Yes, okay, but now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about what's happening here with Gate.io. And actually, it's not just Gate.io, but here's just one picture I would like to show you. This is the Gate.io token. As you can see, this is not too pretty. And when we move on to this article, we can see that Gate.io denies actually liquidity problems after multi-chain CEO goes missing. And yes, this story, it's connected really, because we have here multi-chain, and in the past few days, multi-chain protocol has experienced multiple issues due to the unforeseeable circumstances. The team has done everything, that's what they're saying, but we are currently, that's what they're saying, unable to contact the CEO and obtain the necessary server access for maintenance. Meanwhile, we have actually, so one thing is this guy is missing. There are rumors that some, other members are arrested. Then Binance suspended deposits for several bridge tokens that relied on the multi-chain protocol. And why Gate.io is getting in the problem is that, there are rumors that Gate.io team has been arrested. That's also very interesting. The multi-chain team has sent Gate.io to Gate.io 10 million worth US dollar in Phantom. So actually there are a lot of crypto entering into Gate.io from addresses which are related to multi-chain team members, and people are afraid that actually this is not about it. They're afraid that actually Gate.io has some connection to this situation. Therefore, withdrawals started on Gate.io, and do you know how it goes many times? If there will be, liquidity problems, that they're going to stop withdrawals. But now this is just the FUD, right? So we will see what's going to happen, but be prepared. Gate.io is not the biggest. It's not small, but it's not the biggest exchange for sure. But even we have seen big guys, just like FTX collapsing. So don't know what's going to happen. I wouldn't keep my crypto on cryptocurrency exchange, centralized exchange. Keep it in your hard wallet. That's probably the safest place. At least you have the control. You have to look after your passphrase and all these kind of things, but you can have the control. So be aware of it at least, right? Okay. The next topic I would like to discuss is all about debt ceiling passes in the House. Okay, so the drama about the debt ceiling. Well, we are getting in a better shape as now the debt ceiling is passed in the House. So a bill to raise the debt limit and cap government spending passed in the House by wide margin. This is actually good news. This is what happened late Wednesday yesterday. Sending the bill to the Senate just days before Monday's US default deadline. And okay, so now we again a step closer. We had the agreement between Biden and McCarthy that was now voted. Here you can see that it was voted 314 vote for and 117 against. So actually, so far so good. And well, still, it leads to money printing, it leads to weakening the US dollar, and so on and so forth. But now it's a necessary step because if, the US would kind of, default, that would be actually a pretty bad situation. Now, when we're looking at the stock market, the opening, it's quite flat for start at least, but we're going to see how this continues during the day. Okay, and now the next thing I would like to discuss is about that maybe there will not be a rate hike now in June after the FOMC meeting. So really, there going to be a rate hike. There will not be a rate hike, and so on and so forth. This is just an ongoing thing, and we're going to have it here 13th of June, if I remember well, the next FOMC meeting. And now we have this that maybe a rate hike skip in June as an opportunity. Any decision to hold rates steady should not be viewed as the end of the tightening cycle. This is actually what Philip Jefferson also said, Fed governor and vice chair nominee. So, well, now it looks like that maybe they're pausing for a while in June. But then after that, the next FOMC meeting, maybe rate hikes are back. So actually, well, look at this here. Now, the hope that there will be a rate hike, it's actually lower. This was actually much higher, and now it went all the way down here. So, well, yeah, it's a circus kind of thing, what is going on. It's very hard to calculate because there are even a couple of days before things are changing because some of the Fed members saying that or another thing, and then this mess up the whole situation. Anyway, it's not a good shape what the US actually shows right now. Story continues, right? I do these daily videos, so I will keep you up to date anyway. And saying that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you would like to get this daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, also economy related things, which are very important to understand the full picture, and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. Okay, guys, see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.